to show you a way of solving a multiplication computation using base 10 blocks. First, what I'm going to do is make an estimation. Using front-end multiplication, I estimate that the answer will be at least 600 because 30 times 20 is 600. So I know our answer is going to be fairly close to that. Now to solve this using base 10 blocks, we will use the area method. So in order to be able to represent these numbers using the blocks, we first need to split them up into tens and ones. So you can see that the number 36 will have 3 tens and 6 ones. And the number 23 will have 2 tens and 3 ones. Now in order to represent this using the area method, we're going to use our paper blocks. And we'll go 23, so 2 tens and 3 ones, and 3 tens, and 6 ones. 4, 5, 6. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill these in with the blocks. So we can throw our 100 blocks in here. We can do this a few times. And then what we can do is fill in the rest with tens. Alright, now we're not going to be able to fit any more tens down here in this bottom portion, so now we have to fill in the rest with ones. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to go over to our sheet of paper and represent this. So here I have written down on the paper 36 by 23. And so the method that I'm going to show you how to do this works really well with the area method. And so there are going to be 3 rows of computations that we do. One to fill in the 100 space, one to fill in the 10 space, and one to fill in the 1 space. So it's going to be a 3-digit answer. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take the tens spots and multiply those together. So 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Then we're going to take, in the 10 spot, we're going to take the tens from the 30 from the 36, the 3 from the 23, and make that 3 times 3, plus the 6 ones from the 36, and the 2 tens from the 23. So it's going to be 2 times 6, and so that equals 9 plus 12, which we're going to get 21. And then the 1 spot from the 36 and the 1 spot from the 23, so we can account for it all. And we're going to get 6 times 3 equals 18. Now what you'll notice is we have 600s here in this spot, and we also have 600s in our blocks. In the 10 spot, we'll have 21, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And in our ones we have 18. And so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put these over into our 3-digit space. So we're going to move our 6 up into our 100 spot. And then we're going to move the 21 up there. Now you can't have more than 2 digits in one spot, so we're going to add the 2, or carry over the 2, into the 100 spot and put the 1 there. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then again with the 18, with the 2-digit number, we only have 1 spot to fill it in, so we're going to put the last digit of that number into this spot. Add the 1 over here, so it's going to be 1 plus 1 is 2. So our final answer is going to be 828. And now what basically we did was we exchanged, and I'll show you that we can do that over here as well. So we can exchange tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll exchange these tens for another 100. We can exchange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These tens for another 100. Leaving us with 8 hundreds, like we had over on the paper. And we can also trade or exchange some of these ones for a 10. So we'll go 3, 6, 9, 10 for another 10 block. So now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And so if you count it out, we have 8 hundreds, 2 tens or 20, and 8 ones left, giving us an answer of 828.